6 weeks since I've been on a treatment, and I just thought, you know, if there's no changes, I'm not gonna like update every week. But yeah, it's been 6 weeks. As I'll show you the progress of my stomach in the next sort of few minutes. I just wanted to update you on everything. So I'm still doing the whole treatment that I started in the very beginning. I actually saw my doctor last week. He came to London, which was great, and we did another test, so the eye test, and then he took my blood to test my blood, and he said that, you know, my symptoms are getting better. So on one side, on my right side, the gut dysbiosis is getting better. However, on the left side, it's still quite swollen and there's still a lot there. We have noticed that all my parasites are gone, which was also really amazing and such good news. And I still have traces of candida. Now it has become a lot less, but it's still there. So yeah, we are carrying on with the same treatment, but we're adding a few new things in there. So I'm gonna have now grapefruit seed oil every morning. That's the new thing I'm gonna show you. I'm still waiting for the packaging. I've also included iron because I'm low in iron, so he said I need to take 1 tablet a day at lunch. And we're doing another type of tablets to like really kill like proper everything, and that's going to be 10 days off, then a break, then 10 days on again. So basically, yeah, another month of lots of tablets and treatments. But I definitely feel better. I haven't been able to, or I haven't been very good at not eating sugar or white bread, and especially right now filming a brand new course, and I've been filming a lot for Christmas and my brand new courses. Yeah, so it's been, to be honest, it's been very challenging, and I do feel kind of bad all the time, and I don't want to feel bad, and unfortunately, like, it's just how I feel. Like, I would eat like stuff and then I would feel bad that I'm doing the treatment and I'm not really following it, you know, properly. Even though I am following the treatment, it just feels like if I completely excluded the sugar and white bread, I would probably feel much better. But he did say that my gut doesn't react so strongly anymore to sugar because it's healing, which is good. I just can't wait to be back to normal. I guess I am very impatient, and I thought, you know, I'll get amazing results after like 1 month and I'll see incredible swelling and all my bloat go away, but it doesn't obviously work that way. It takes a lot longer and more time. So at the minute, I'm just going to be patient. And I'm gonna start, you know, I've started the new treatment. Well, it's kind of the same, but changed a little bit because the tablets have changed. Started this week. The first type of tablets that I started taking, they did make me feel a bit sick for like 2 days, and now I'm absolutely fine. So yeah, I guess I will see how I look in another 4 weeks time. That will be like 2 months. And hopefully, he did say that after this second, you know, treatment launch, the bloat should completely go away. If it doesn't, then we're gonna look at something else. But yeah, that's kind of the update right now. Thanks for everybody who's supporting me and messaging me, and I know so many of you are in similar position. I guess I'm trying to also stress less. It's kind of working, I think. I don't know what's happening with me, but I'm really bad at going to bed early. And I've noticed that if I go to bed late, then my whole day is ruined. I don't want to, you know, do any kind of stretching in the morning. I'm all over the place and I'm not very organized. So what I suggest to everyone as well, just go to bed early. It's so difficult to go to bed early, especially now that it's, you know, it's dark and cold and I just want to kind of watch Netflix and chill. Look at Milo, so cute. You're so cute. Who's sleeping? He's sleeping. He's so cute. Oh, he's so cute. Look at him. But guys, yeah, I'm sorry this is such a quick update. I'm literally having a break between filming and it's so dark already. Morning, guys. It's been a while since my updates. It's been 6 weeks now. This is my stomach. I'm gonna show you the pull technique. And you can see I can definitely pull it in now. It's looking better. And this is me relaxed. So this is me fully relaxed in the morning. But I think it's definitely gone better. There's still a lot of swelling around the area and the bloat, but yay, we're getting there. It's a citrus grapefruit seed extract. that I need to take now 30 minutes before I eat food in a glass of water. I mean, everything's described here. So the doctor said that I need to do this now as well. So I'm including this from today. Hi guys, I thought I'll do another update. It's been, I don't even know, I think it's been definitely over 6 weeks now on the treatment. And I just wanted to add a couple of more bits since I filmed my this vlog, but I filmed it probably like last week. I've added a lot of new things into my whole diet. So I've started drinking a lot of water. I bought myself like a 3.5 litre bottle of water, and I'm literally drinking that every day. And I can't tell you how much it has changed my energy, my mood. I'm also not having any trouble right now with my bowel movements, which is, you know, really amazing for me. I think it's a lot of combination of everything. I started also to take probiotics every morning. Really good company, like, you know, the real ones, the liquid ones that you take, not the tablets. And I'm taking that every morning. I've also started obviously another treatment on the tablets, and I'm doing the drops, which I'll show you in this video. And also I'm trying to include a lot of vegetables in my diet. Like, I'm literally eating a lot of veggies. Definitely a green smoothie for breakfast or snack, and I'm having lots and lots of veggies for lunch, like avocado, Brussels sprouts, green beans, broccoli, cauliflower, and it's like an array of vegetables, and it's definitely been helping a lot. So far, like, I feel my stomach is definitely getting better. It's flatter. I'll show you pictures before and after in a minute. And yeah, I'm feeling like better, like I can pull it in. I still have a bit of pain every day. I'm not sure, you know, hopefully that will go away. I spoke to the doctor. He said to carry on with the treatment. So I'm starting back on some other tablets that I did 2 weeks ago, because you kind of take 2 weeks break, 2 weeks again. So I'm very excited. I feel that it's definitely helping. Everything is working. It is much slower than I sort of expected it to be. We started the treatment in October, and it's been October, November, and we're close to end of December. So it's going to be 3 months in a couple of weeks. But the main thing for me is that I'm seeing the progress, and I'm very excited to see what's going to happen over the next couple of months. I've realized that it's not going to be a quick fix. Probably it's going to take me 6 months. He sort of told me it's going to take 3 to 6 months to fix the gut issues in the best case scenario. So I'm just happy I'm seeing progress. I haven't had any episodes of me bloating to pain apart from one. My diet wise, you know, I'm still eating bread and sugar because that's my job. I don't eat it maybe every day. Kind of sugar probably every day. But after I did the second scan, he said that because we decreased the amount of parasites and bacteria and candida, my stomach isn't reacting so strongly anymore to sugar and gluten and things like that. So we have fixed it with a lot of treatment. Anyway, I will keep you updated. Obviously the vlogs are a bit spread out now because there's not much changes, like, you know, 1 to 2 week basis. That's why this vlog was filmed so much later. But so yeah, I just wanted to also say, you know, if you're struggling with your stomach and bloat, you know, don't give up. I have also spoken to my doctor, and I said, you know, if you definitely manage to help me out and fix me, he said he's willing to come to London from Latvia, and if anyone lives in London and wants to see, you know, a doctor like him, then perhaps we can arrange something. But like I said, I don't want to recommend anyone at the moment until I'm fully fixed and healed, because I don't like recommending in case it doesn't, you know, help. And I want to see how I feel after the treatment as well. Like, hopefully nothing's going to come back and I'll still feel good. But anyway, look forward to hearing your comments and what you think. If you see any difference already, like, do you think there is a difference? Sometimes, you know, because it's been so many weeks, I don't even know if there is, but I think there definitely is when I see the pictures. And yeah, guys, enjoy the video.